Hello, good day. My name is Lux, and today I have another Avante AS8 module, amplifier module that is bad, and I want to try to troubleshoot and see what the problem might be and finally fix it. Actually, I can see a very bad fuse, so I'm going to replace the fuse first, and I'm going to connect it to a current limiting lamp in order to check what is wrong. So as I'm working on it, I'm going to show you guys what I do to make it work. And now I have been able to trace the fault, and I found out that there is a FET that is bad here. That is the part number is 9N80C. There's an 800 volt going to source voltage MOSFET with 6.6 amps, and I replaced it with I couldn't get the exact part number, but I replaced it with an equivalent that could match up. This is an 8N60 of a 600 volt going to source voltage, and there's 7.5 amps and 1.2 ohms. So that was what I used, and now it's working. It's perfect. I had to check everything before I replaced it, and I confirmed that all parts are working fine. They are okay. I even had to check this FET, and everything is working fine. As you can hear from the sound, it's okay now, and it's working perfect. In case you have an Avante AS, I think this is a quality build Avante. It's working fine. I actually love it. It's nice. Thank you very much. Please, if you like my video, kindly subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.